July 2nd, 2022. There are just 2 more days to my birthday, and I haven't bought myself anything. Like, literally nothing. This year, I thought I wouldn't buy myself anything, which I was okay with, but now I'm thinking I at least deserve a dress. But instead of buying, this year, I'm thinking I'm gonna make one myself. Alright, so I went out and bought everything that I need to stitch or sew a dress. I bought the needles, the thread, zipper, bobby pins, measuring tape, fabric lining, everything. It took me an entire day to find everything. Finding the fabric was probably the easiest of it all. There is this fabric shop nearby that I went to find the organza fabric that I wanted. Finding all the other supplies was a bit difficult. I pretty much surfed the entire city and finally got everything in one wholesale shop. Then I took out my oral and maxillofacial surgery textbook to find out how to stitch. Yes, I finally put my dental degree to good use. Thankfully, I had made picture notes which helped me a ton in understanding how to stitch a dress. I went through it all and finally I was ready. I am kidding. That is not how you stitch a dress. This is how you stitch a dress. Alright, so first of all, please don't mind my background. It's a bit messy here because I've been trying to stitch some things tonight. Anyway, it's midnight, July 5, 2022, and I just turned 27. I definitely feel like a grandma. Yes, I do. But it's going to be alright because I hope that this will be the start of my good years. Anyway, I still haven't finished my dress yet. I'm hoping that I'll be able to finish it by tomorrow because I want to obviously try it on. And there are a few finishing touches here and there that needs to be completed. So I'm really hoping that I'll be able to finish this. Also, I've put my phone on D&D, so I know there are a few people that are pissed on me right now because I'm not picking the call or replying to any messages. But that's all because I'm trying to film something, guys. So I hope you watch this video and understand what I've been doing. Anyway, I will see you tomorrow morning with my dress. Bye for now.